Hi, today I'm with me Poco F5 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings, then scroll down to the wallpaper section, tap to agree. So now we're just open at the wallpaper application. Here you could use the online wallpapers, but to use them you should be connected to the internet, to the mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. If you want to use the default wallpapers, you should switch wallpapers to profile and tap here to wallpapers tab. So after that you'll see here all of the default wallpapers from your device. Also you could click here to this plus icon and to use photos from the Google Drive, Google Photos from the file manager or the gallery application. So let's use one from these available wallpapers. Just tap to apply, set as lock screen. We could also turn on the wallpaper carousel. I don't want to do that, so I'll click here to don't agree. We could see the message that the lock screen wallpaper applied successfully, and let's check it. Also we get one more way how we could do that. Just pinch first and tap on the left down corner to wallpaper icon, and by the same way you could use photos from default wallpapers. Also you could use the online wallpapers. Let's just use one from these available ones. For example, I'll use this one. Okay, let's use this wallpaper. Tap to apply, tap to set as lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.